everyone. Recently, India and Botswana has announced the Cheetah Translocation Pact. In this, 8 cheetahs would be translocated from Botswana to India. Project Cheetah 2022 is actually aiming to translocate the African cheetahs to India. This is the world's first intercontinental large wild carnivore translocation initiative. In 2022, 8 cheetahs were transferred from Namibia to India. In 2023, 12 cheetahs were translocated from South Africa to India. This Project Cheetah is being implemented by the National Tiger Conservation Authority, which is a statutory body established under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1976. This works under the Ministry of Environment. Now, the funds would be released under Project Tiger, which would be an umbrella project to the Project Cheetah. There is also a committee known as the Cheetah Project Steering Committee, which would be looking after the transactions. It should be noted that cheetah has got extinct in India in 1952. The IUCN status of African cheetah is vulnerable and the Asian cheetah IUCN status is critically endangered. Asian cheetahs have been extinct in India anyways, and they are only found in the eastern region of Iran. We have tried to make a deal with Iran for translocation, but it has failed. Thus, we have decided to translocate the African cheetahs. We have to understand that all the 3 countries from which we have translocated cheetahs are neighboring countries. Namibia, Botswana and South Africa. All these lie in the southern region of Africa. Do let me know in the comment section in which state is the Kuno National Park to which the African cheetahs were transferred. Thank you.